Cow. A cow gives us milk. Cow. A cow gives us milk. Chicken. A chicken lays eggs. Chicken. A chicken lays eggs. Pig. A pig rolls in the mud. Pig. A pig rolls in the mud. Sheep. A sheep has soft wool. Sheep. A sheep has soft wool. Goat. A goat can climb on rocks. Goat. A goat can climb on rocks. Horse. A horse can run fast. Horse. A horse can run fast. Duck. A duck swims in the pond. Duck. A duck swims in the pond. Turkey. A turkey has a big red wattle. Turkey. A turkey has a big red wattle. Donkey. A donkey can carry heavy loads. Donkey. A donkey can carry heavy loads. Goose. A goose honks loudly. Goose. A goose honks loudly.